Hi everyone, thanks for watching Market Menu. I'm Jessica, here to tell you all about the final holiday market of the season, December 21st, inside Lincoln Square from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. This Saturday is the last day of the holiday market season, so if you haven't made it out here yet, this is your chance. Be there or be square. The market is the perfect place to check off those last-minute items on your holiday shopping list. There's plenty of stocking stuffers like homemade soaps and lotions or mittens and hats. Other great gifts you can find at the market include handmade jewelry, art prints, candles, blown glass items, wood-turned items, locally made wine, and a lot more. Don't forget about Fido either. We have a few vendors selling adorable toys, treats, and accessories to get your dog's tail wagging. Our vendor spotlight this week has the perfect stocking stuffer for anyone on your list. Yu-Poo Compost Company is in the spotlight this week, and they are a locally owned business that sells products made from sheep. Their dryer balls are made from all-natural sheep's wool and reduce static cling in your dryer with no need for fabric softener or dryer sheets. They are very eco-friendly and they last for months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the last holiday market of the season, December 21st, inside Lincoln Square from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.